So I'm in the car now with a stranger. Caleb has taken me up on a ride share using the ride app Papa Ride to get a lift to Waterloo from Toronto. And we pulled in here to grab a coffee at the rest stop. And this man came up to the window and had some kind of flyer or something. And one of the instincts I had when he came to the window and kind of indicated for me to open the door was to reject him. I had this feeling of like, oh, this person's going to try and sell me something. And that lasted maybe a half a second. And then I had the other instinct, which was, well, let's see what he has to offer. And I was curious. And so I like to consider myself a pretty open-minded person. So I received what he handed me when I opened the door, which was this little flyer. Do I have it in my pocket? Oh, I think I do. It was this little flyer that states, as you can read it here, hello, I am deaf. I'm a deaf person. Please forgive me for bothering you. I am selling this card to see my way through. Will you kindly buy one? Pay any price you wish. Thank you. And inside, it has the sign language. It teaches you sign language. And so I thought, yeah, I put a few dollars towards that. I didn't actually have any change, but my rideshare guest very kindly gave the man $5, and then we had basically a conversation as he taught us how to say "have a good day" in sign language, and then we were able to learn from him that he lived in BC for 30 years when I told him that I live in Alberta, and we had this really pleasant exchange, even though he's deaf. Like, we were able to communicate through body language, and it was a reminder to me about how important it is, if you want to bring more people into your life, that you remain open-minded. And so that's the message that I want to share in today's video, that you, as you navigate the world, that you remain open-minded, because that allows for more opportunities to connect with people. As I said, this was a really enjoyable exchange. And both of us were smiling, and Caleb was laughing as well. And it was just genuinely really pleasant. And as I say all the time, the research proves that these interactions are very good for your mental health. They can actually be very good for your physical health as well. So yeah, when you're out there navigating the world, I encourage you to be open-minded. That's it for today. Thanks very much. Bye now.